It is tough out there. Classroom exploding with emotional issues, angry parents on the phone, chairs flying, sass and swearing, students melting down like kids half their age, and you at the center of it all. Day after day, the chaos is overwhelming. We've got a problem. We've been trying to stop big behaviors without addressing children's most basic needs first. You can go from chaos to calm. It takes 3 research-backed, evidence-based components: creating a safe, compassionate educational culture, co-regulating behavior through authentic connection, and actively teaching the skill of self-regulation. Join us at From Chaos to Calm, and you get it all. Instruction on the 5 steps to self-regulation for you and your students, specific multisensory strategies, skills for connecting with relationship-resistant kids, and the basics for creating a compassionate culture of belonging.
If you are ready to discover an evidence-based, trauma-responsive pathway to get all of your children from chaos to calm, then we will see you there.